Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Tonor TRL 20 12-inch ring light kit. This is the stand. I'm going to unbox that later. You also have the manual and you also have the information regarding the warranty. So you get a 20-month warranty, 60-day free return shipping, priority and VIP discount. So the instruction manual is over here teaching you how to use it. Is well detailed, very detailed. So when you bring it out, you will see you have your ring light. So this is the ring light, the 12-inch ring light, and then you have the phone connector. So this is for your phone, for your camera, and then you have the remote control in here. To install it, we're going to first start off with connecting the ring that comes in there. So this is the phone holder, and you can see the phone holder. One thing I like about it is that it's bendable. You can bend it in so many ways, and also you can turn it in so many ways. So it has a ball in here that rotates. So once you screw it in, and you have the cord is quite long with the controls for the dimming and the on and off button. So the stand, let's remove the stand. The stand comes in its own case, so you're able to carry it around. So there's the stand, and it's like a backpack kind of design. Okay, so when you take it out, it's wrapped really nicely. So I'm going to show you the stand, the way the stand is. So the stand has operable hands at the top area. So at the top area, you have that operable hands that you can use to swivel the ring light to any directions you want. As you can see, it stands like this, and you can also extend, like remove this, and you can also extend the stand whichever way as high as you want to. So to insert the ring light itself, so the ring light you can connect it on top of this. Now if you don't want to use the ring light and you have a camera that has that can sit on top of a ring light, you can also put that over here instead of using the ring light if you want to. You don't have to do that, but you can also do that. So other thing I want to show you about this ring light is it has a snapping area. This area where you can use to remove the camera seater. So this is the camera bed, so you can use this to remove the camera bed and expose it like that, or you can just put it back. So I'm just going to put it back in there. So just slide it in there, and it's so easy to just put back. Very easy to just put back, and you can lock it back in. And then of course you can use this to lock the handle so that it's not movable, so you can really move your camera whichever way it is. So this serves as a dual purpose kind of ring light, where it is a camera stand and it is also a ring light. So I'm going to show you how to install the ring light portion of this tripod. And you're good to go. So now you can see that it's well secured. So you can see that it's well secured in there, and your ring light is ready to be used. So this is what the ring light looks like in its fullness as it stands. So this is what it looks like. It's very easy to install, very easy to use. Now I'm going to show you how to put your phone in the ring light compartment. So up there, like right there, so you can grab your phone, and I can take my phone and put my phone on it like this. So you just want to expand it like this, and you can put your phone right there. I'm going to turn on my extension cord. Once I turn on my extension cord, I'm going to use the remote right here. I'm going to use this to turn it on. And you see, I can turn it on. I can increase the brightness by hitting the plus sign. You see how bright it gets. And then I can dim it. Just reduce it. You guys see how I'm dimming it. Another thing that we can also do is there's also something that has a recycle right over there, like a round button. When I click on it, I can change the color. So the color changes from like daylight to like nighttime. So like orange to like bright color, daylight. So I hope you can see it, just different colors. So another thing that you can also do is use the remote. If you have it connected and set up with your camera, you can set the remote thing, and use that and connect that with your camera to take shots and stuff. So this connects to the camera, and you just have to set it up according to the manual. Very, very, very easy to do. So this is the ring light. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, that's my review.